We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not responding to touch. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're finding your iPhone is not responding to touch and the touch screen is not working. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and use it and you may be concerned that it's broken. Now don't worry, because we've got a simple fix that should hopefully go and resolve the problem. So you may find that the screen is also frozen, perhaps it's frozen on a video, or you may be in the scenario where you can go and see that your screen actually still works, but just the touchscreen doesn't work. It doesn't matter, the method and the fix we've got in this video will go and resolve it without needing to go and use the screen. What we can use is a button combination, and with that button combination, we can essentially do a forced restart. So the device will go and restart, and this will usually go and solve the problem. It's just a software glitch, and we can go and get it unfrozen and working again. So to go about this, we are going to be doing a button combination, as I said. So what we're going to do is press the volume increase, then decrease, and we're going to tap and hold the side button. That is all does need to be done quickly and consecutively. So make sure it's this full video and do not skip a part. And we're going to walk you through what's going to go and happen. So what you're going to do is press volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold that side button. It's important to know if the screen's frozen, nothing's going to go and change here. If it's not frozen, then you'll go and see this, but all you need to do is tap and hold the button. Shortly, it should go black. You keep on holding it down though, and you're going to restart it when you go and see the Apple icon, and now it will go and start again. So even if the screen doesn't go and change and it just stays as it is before it goes black, don't worry, that's a normal part of the process. I found that happens before. And you want to go and wait for it to go and restart. It shouldn't go and take too long. The newer iPhones are usually pretty quick. If it's older, it will take a bit of time. So it's now back on, and hopefully now your touchscreen will be working. I found this usually always goes and resolves the problem when mine is not working like that. So that's it. When we go and try and unlock it, we'll need to go and enter in the passcode. We've just gone and restarted it. But now if I go and lock it again, I'll be able to go and use Face ID. So hopefully with the help of this video, you've now managed to go and resolve it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We make videos like this every single day, so I'm sure you're going to find something else useful.